Assalamu alaikum friends. Assalamu alaikum viewers. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope so that all are you happy and well. So in today's video viewers, crochet felt table runners brings elegant to your table. With this crochet felt runner, the softer design make your dining area look classical and warm, perfect for family dinners, tea times, or festive decoration. Handmade touch always make your home feel special. This crochet felt table runner is simple yet so beautiful. The design is light, airy, and adds charm to any table. You can use it on dining table, coffee tables, or sideboard. A timeless piece that never go out of style. Crochet felt runner are more than decorate. They tell a story of handmade love and creativity. Each stitch brings warmth and beauty to your home. Perfect gift for wedding, housewarming, or special occasions. Decorate your table with a touch of handmade art. This crochet felt runner is elegant and versatile. Use it for everyday dining or for festive celebration. It's always make the table look extra special. Simple, stylish, and handmade with love. This crochet felt table runner adds beauty to any setting. It looks stunning on wood, glass, or even marble table. A true piece of art for your home. Handmade beauty for your table. Crochet felt runner. Simple, elegant, one runner, endless style, add charm to your corner for your home. Crochet felt runner where art meets everyday living. Turn any table into a masterpiece with handmade crochet, because our home feel warm with crochet love on the table. Crochet felt runner bring a soft artistic touch to your home. Their delicate pattern adds to dining tables, coffee tables, and sideboard. Every stitch speaks of care, taste, and timeless beauty. A perfect choice for those who love handmade elegance. Nothing matches the great charm of a handmade crochet felt runner. Light, stylish, and versatile. It's bring a vintage yet modern vibe to your home, whether for daily use or special celebration. It's always make your table look inviting and warm.